Hey everyone, welcome back to the Explainer. Today, we're totally geeking out over a crazy new workflow that is designed to dramatically accelerate how you create affiliate content. Seriously, if you've ever felt completely bogged down by the sheer amount of time it takes to produce compelling affiliate material, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to map out exactly how to build a high-volume, automated content machine that can frankly transform your output overnight. Let's be real for a second. How much time are you actually spending making content? You know the drill. Writing the scripts, hunting down the perfect clips, and painstakingly editing every single frame just to post one single time. The manual content grind is a massive problem. In the fast-paced world of affiliate marketing, speed isn't just a nice little advantage to have. Speed is literal survival. If you aren't testing out new products and different hooks fast enough, you're just going to fall behind the curve. Okay, let's dive into this, because the landscape has completely shifted. On one hand, you've got the old way, exhaustingly jumping between a dozen different tools and editing everything by hand. But on the other hand, we have the new way. This is Higgsfield connecting directly into Claude through what's called an MCP, or Model Context Protocol integration. Basically, this means there's a direct back-end connection, where Claude doesn't just help you write the scripts anymore. It actually generates the visuals, handles the edits, and renders full ad videos right inside your chat window. It literally takes you from a raw idea to a finished piece of content at light speed. So, here is our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start with the speed problem, then connect Claude and Higgsfield, figure out how to find high-converting products, generate ad videos, craft carousel posts, and finish up with a multi-platform posting strategy. Starting with Section 1, the speed problem. Just a quick reminder on why speed is survival in affiliate marketing. Moving right along to Section 2, connecting Claude and Higgsfield. Let's look at the MCP integration. Setting this up takes, honestly, just 5 simple clicks inside Claude. Step 1, you click your profile icon to open up your settings. Step 2, hit Connectors on that left sidebar. Step 3, click Add Custom Connector and just paste in the Higgsfield URL. Step 4, sign into your Higgsfield account with your email. Now pay close attention to Step 5. So the crucial point is, you absolutely must click Configure and switch the setting to Always Allow. Doing this ensures that Claude can run your video rendering smoothly in the background, without constantly stopping to tap you on the shoulder and ask for permission every time it makes a single edit. Next up is Section 3, finding proven, high-converting products using data-driven niche selection. Look, guessing which niches will work is absolutely the slowest way to succeed. So instead, we use a specific research prompt to turn Claude into an elite affiliate strategist. We have it hunt down what is already selling so we can build our content around proven winners. The data Claude brings back breaks everything down: commission ranges, saturation levels, the best hooks, the whole shebang. Based on the source material we're looking at, the data points us strongly toward the health and wellness category. Why? Because short-form platforms absolutely thrive on highly visual content. Think daily routines, product tests, and physical transformations. That visual nature naturally keeps people's attention, and the earning potential with health supplements and wearables is fantastic right now. And this brilliantly illustrates why we landed on our ultimate product choice: magnesium supplements. The data shows magnesium pays out a massive 30% commission. That's huge. On top of that, Claude noted it has a 9.5 out of 10 viral score, and it solves a very universal problem: bad sleep and anxiety. Visual, high-paying, and super in demand. This is literally the perfect product to promote. All right, Section 4, generating hyper-realistic ad videos using a 15-second UGC prompt. Here's where the magic happens. To do this, you don't need a massive studio setup anymore. You simply grab an image of your magnesium product from Amazon, or just grab the direct public URL of the image and paste it right into Claude's chat box, along with the Amazon product details. Obviously, the AI needs to know exactly what it's selling. Once your image and details are in there, you use a very specific prompt formula. You want to specify a 9:6 vertical format, exactly 15 seconds long, trigger the Higgsfield connector, and command it to use Seedance 2.0. Now, why Seedance 2.0? Because it completely removes that stiff, awkward, kind of creepy AI vibe. It generates hyper-realistic human faces and natural movements. For example, we could prompt it to show a 25-year-old girl looking totally exhausted, tossing and turning in bed, and then cut to her opening the capsules and waking up beautifully rested. And the crazy part? It all looks like a real native piece of user-generated content. And just to show you how ridiculously powerful this is, the source material included this amazing, slightly unhinged prompt as an example.
By uploading a picture of a grandmother and asking the AI to make a promo for a fedora hat using those exact instructions, Claude instantly generated a perfectly rendered, realistic video of a moonwalking grandmother spinning a hat. It proves a massive point, right? Whether you're making a serious health supplement video or a dancing grandma selling a hat, this AI integration has absolutely zero creative limits.
Moving to Section 5, Crafting High-Converting Carousel Posts. We're going beyond standard video here. Remember, affiliate marketing is fundamentally a volume game. You need to be testing different angles, hooks, and content styles. And one format that is absolutely blowing up right now across platforms is the swipeable carousel post. But the structure here is key. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the formula. You don't want cheap, over-designed AI graphics. You want clean, modern layouts. So we asked Claude to generate a 4-slide carousel using this exact flow: the problem, the routine, the benefit, and the result. Because it's using GPT Image 2 under the hood, the output looks incredibly polished. And this matters immensely because it feels like native, helpful content to the viewer, rather than just some cheap, pushy sales promotion.
Finally, Section 6, the multi-platform posting strategy. This is how we turn those assets into actual commissions.
So it is time to turn all these generated assets into cash. And our primary starting point, according to the source analysis, is a highly underrated traffic goldmine for visual wellness and home products, Pinterest. Here is your exact workflow. First, you let Claude generate an SEO-optimized title, description, and your hashtags. Just copy and paste those right into Pinterest. Next, and honestly, this is huge, you do not need a Shopify store or an external website to make this work. Pinterest actually allows you to attach your Amazon affiliate link directly to the post. Just add the product, pop in the affiliate link, make sure you turn on your affiliate disclosure so you stay compliant, and then schedule the post for somewhere between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m.
That brings us to what we call the daily dominance formula. Your goal? Push out 2 videos and 1 carousel every single day. And you don't just stop at Pinterest either. You take these exact same assets and push them out to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Because Claude and Higgsfield are doing like 95% of the heavy lifting here, creating this entire day's worth of multi-platform content literally takes about 10 minutes. High-volume affiliate marketing has truly never been this accessible.
So the tools are right in front of you. The days of spending hours manually editing in the dark are totally over. The only thing left to do is to take action. Which leaves us with a provocative question from our source material to leave you with today. If you were starting this automated content machine right now, today, which platform would you go all in on first? Would it be Pinterest, TikTok, IG Reels, or YouTube Shorts? Stop overthinking it, pick one, and start generating. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.